S-A-R. This is your name? S-A-R.
Sarkel.
Okay.
S-A-R-X-E. To sign this one and
Sure,
to...
sure.
Where?
Let me just find.
Here?
Yeah, let me find.
I have a...
You have a pen?
Yeah.
For me?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
He's with Metrography. All right, from Metrography. Okay.
Best of luck. Thank you. Great job.
So this story is called "The Mystery of the Orange and Brown Shoes."
نهێنی پێڵاوە پرتەقاڵی و قاوەیەکان
Kurds will know them as mikap.
ئەم جۆرە مەبەستی لەو جۆرە پێڵاوانەیە
Okay.
بە میکات ناسراوە.
Okay. This is from December 1st, 2015. My photos got taken down also, and they tried to hack my website. My website is banned in Turkey, but to me, I'm very honored that they could do this to me.
فۆتۆکانم دوای ماوەیەکە سترێنەوە وێبسایتەکەم هاک کرا دوای ئەوەی کە پرۆژەکەم ڕاگەیان هەروەها لە تورکیا ئێستا شەربان کراوە بەڵام شەرفمەتم کە ئاواکەن.
If an oppressive regime like Turkey liked this work, then I might be doing something wrong.
ئەگەر حکوومەتی تورکیا حەزی بەو کارەی من بێت کەواتە ئەمڕۆ ئیشێکی غەڵەتەکەم.
So the problems began with making this book from the very first trip, as I described. I got hacked. I think online trolls, they posted even photos of dead Kurds beneath these photos. It was very, very tasteless and horrific.
یەکەمین کێشە کە ڕوبەروم بۆ کاتێک کە پرۆژەکان ڕاگەیان هەر لە یەکەم سەردانمەوە ئەو هەستم بەوە کرد بەو دژایەتیە هەر چەند جارێکیش فۆتۆی کوردی مردویان لەژێر پۆستەکانم دادەنا.
But over time, I realized that these posters and commenters, they weren't actually people. They were all saying the exact same thing, and most of them were just copy-paste, like troll army stuff. So I continued the project over 4 different trips to Kurdistan.
دواتر هەستم کرد کە ئەو پۆستانی کاکرێن هەموو یەک شتن هەندێک جار هەر کۆپی پیس بوون دوایەوە هەستم کرد کە بێ پرۆژەکان بەردەوام بکەم و 3 سەردانی تریشم کرد بۆ کەواتە بۆ 4 سەردان.
And my translator and I were taken on a long drive across an empty desert plain that makes up the border of Iraq and Syria. Our next destination was the Syrian city of El Hal, which now ran along the same front line as the newly liberated Kolik Mountain. In El Hal, we were to seek out a YPG commander named Kamal Hawraman, with whom, thanks to EPEC's coordination, we are welcome to stay and continue the photography project.